So, hello again guys and welcome back to my channel, and this is me, Ivan. So for today's vlog, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to teach you on how to edit on Lightroom. So basically, I'm going to teach you on how to edit my own preset, which is Chippendale. So basically, without further ado, let's get started.
Go to light and adjust the exposure into 1.11. So basically it depends on the photo. So adjust the highlights into -57, and then so just like what I've said before, it depends on the photos. Next, go to shadows and adjust it into +40. Next, go to white and adjust it into -29. Then blacks, adjust it into +29. Then after that, go to color and adjust the temperature into +6. Like what I've said before, it depends on the photos. Next, adjust the tint into +1. After that, go to vibrance and adjust it into +21. Then saturation, adjust it into -19. Next, go to color mix, then click red, then adjust the hue into +33. Next, saturation, adjust it into +51. After that, click luminance and adjust it into -11. Then click orange. Adjust saturations into +29. Then luminance, adjust it into +20. Then click yellow. Adjust saturation into -36. Then click green. Adjust the hue into +73. Then saturation, adjust it into -93. So like what I've just said before, it depends on the photo and it depends on how you're going to adjust it. My bad, I forgot the yellow. Then click light blue. Adjust saturation into -22. Then adjust luminance into -29. Then click blue. Adjust hue into -18. Then adjust saturation into -18 also. Like what I've said before, it depends on the photo. Then adjust luminance into -42. Then skip purple and click this. Then adjust hue into -11. So now, and this is the Chip and Dale preset. That's all for today.